First you take off the hubcap. Next we're going to use a 30mm socket to loosen the the axle nut. Next, loosen the lug nuts. Now it's time to jack up the car. Now take the lug nuts off and the axle nut off. Next, loosen the caliper, and it's a 15mm bolt. Two 15mm bolts. Next, loosen the ball joint nut. Next, take a pickle fork / ball joint separator and hammer the ball joint out. It's always a good idea to have a good big hammer. Alright, I got the axle out of the way. Now it's time to loosen these 3 bolts back here. And they're 15mm. Alright. Whoa. There's the old wheel bearing assembly. Here's the new one. And make sure to compare them to make sure they're the same. Now put the axle and ball joint back into place.
Back window's got acne.
Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.
This car does have 260 air conditioning too, you know that, don't you?
What is 260?
2 windows down at 60 miles an hour.
2
2 windows down at 60 miles an hour. That's 260 air conditioning.
260.